The box was too big, okay? In case you don't realize, you know, if it's too big, I'm not going to shove it up inside him. He doesn't like it. I'm Colwen. This is Space Squid. And I have Nature Valley crispy, creamy wafer bars made with real peanut butter. I got these for work. I'm working again. It's awesome. I got these at the Dollar Tree. I want to say it was 2 boxes for $6. There's another one. You'll see the video. Made with real peanut butter. I like the picture on the front here. It makes it look very yummy, very tasty. It's all crispy and wafery with peanut butter and chocolate, and I think that's like granola stuff on top. I think that's granola stuff on top. 5 bars per box, 200 calories, 5 saturated fat, 130 milligrams sodium, 8 grams total sugar, so it's low in sugar. That was something I was actually looking forward to. Well, relatively low in sugar, bloody hell. Okay, so we got all that other stuff. The sugar, the included added sugars is 15% your daily intake. Sodium's low, though. Protein is 5 grams, though. The protein is good because it got the peanut butter in there. Vitamin D, 0. Calcium, 0. Iron, 0.9 micrograms, 4%. Potassium, 140 milligrams, 2%. 0.9 milligrams, not micrograms. Micrograms is mcg, I know. Ingredients. Peanut butter. Peanuts, salt, sugar. Palm and palm kernel oil, whole grain flour, whole grain wheat flour, peanut flour, whole grain, oats, starch, cocoa milk powder, salt, honey, lecithin flavor, soy, lecithin, baking soda, contains milk, peanuts, soy, wheat, may contain soy, contains almond ingredients, and contains bioengineered food ingredients distributed by General Mills. I will not be eating all of them on camera. In fact, I'm not even eating the entire one on camera. Because again, these are meant for work. The packaging is a lot different. Well, no, it's pretty similar to the box because it's yeah. All that shit on there is on here. I'll read it again. No! Well, it's completion's sake, right? We gotta make sure the packaging matches the box, right? Okay, so I am disappointed. Okay, look at this. It's all flattened out. Like, on here, it looked like it was kind of bumping up a lot more. That's good stuff. It's crispy and fluffy and light. It reminds me of an Alma Roca. The little round things with the hazelnut shit. Oh, it's peanut butter stuff. I need more milk. No, come on, get back. Get back in your sack. I'm Colwen, Space Squid. This is Nature Valley Crispy Wafers Bars. I got them at the Dollar General, 2 boxes for $6. It's good stuff. It's mostly peanut butter flavor. You're not going to taste a whole lot of chocolate in there. But it's nice and crispy and wafery and stuff. Very much recommend. All right. Thank you for watching.